11, PGT Commerce, Sri Shakthi International School, teaching class 11th and 12th accountancy subject. So in this video, goodwill valuation related numerical question given in NCERT, I would like to solve. So I have taken numerical question 13, NCERT, question number 30 from the chapter Admission of a Partner. So numerical question 30. It's a very simple question. As you all know, goodwill can be calculated following average profit, super profit, capitalization of profit. So this method is here in this question. The question details are: compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of average profit based on the last 5 years. Last 5 years profit is given and goodwill has to be calculated based on the purchase of 4 years average profit. The profit for the last 5 years, 2015 it is 40,000, 16 50,000, 17 60,000, 18 50,000, 19 60,000. So this is the question. Now to solution is average profit. The formula is total profit of the all the years. Here the past 5 years divided by number of years. So the past 5 years profit has to be added 40, 50, 60, 50, 60 divided by 5. So all the years profit, if it is added, it is 2,60,000. Number of years is 5. So the average profit of the enterprise is 52,000. Here the goodwill of the firm is calculated based on the average profit, and the weight given is the number of years purchases, 4 years. So 52,000 into 4. The goodwill of the firm is 2,08,000. It's very simple. Hope it is you all understand.